Alright, let's kill an Eastern Horde 70. Shadow Ops 70. Basically, we're just going to use techs and envoys. So, let's start by killing a life stealer. All right, let's get another one. Okay, that's two. Let's get another one. Okay, now let's go get the air. Okay, that's one. Let's go get the other one. All right, he's gone. Now let's start taking out the air. Once we get out the anti-air, we'll send in our envoys. We're going to get a little bit of damage here, but nothing we can do about it. Okay, let's go over here. Get rid of... the first thing we got to get rid of here is the tower. These guys are pretty easy. We won't worry about him. Get rid of the tower. Alright. So, we'll just reset and he'll go away. No sense fighting him. We don't need to kill him. Alright. Now let's just take out all the air. Anti-air. Let's get rid of this guy. He's a pain in the butt. Unfortunately, he's right in the middle. You got to be careful. If you go into this, the flames, it will kill your techs. So you got to really be careful. So we'll just wait him out. All right, let's take out the air. Okay, we got to take out him. Pain in the butt. And unfortunately, that's where we got to get to avoid him, because we got to kill him. So wait till the flames go away. All right. Let's take him out. Then we can send in our envoys. Come on, I retreated you. What are you waiting for? All right, let's take out much as we can. Take out all the stuff, but you got to watch out right there. These little pain in the butts, let's kill them. Okay, basically just stay away from him. You'll be all right. We just work our way around. I mean, right now there's nothing that'll threaten us. The only thing that can get you are the two hunters, so stay away from them. Stay away from him. Other than that, nothing up here is going to get your own voice. So just stay away from those two hunters and you'll be all right. Okay, now we just got to be careful how we get in here. Stay away from him. Kill him. Okay. Come back up here, clean out this side. Run your technicals through again. It's over. You're done. Okay, now we're just going to shoot here. That'll clean out all these guys. Then we can run in with our technicals. And that's it. Send some technicals back in. Clear the space. And that's it. That's how easy it is. These 70s are amazingly easy. I did not expect it to be this easy. Take out a hunter. What didn't we kill? Oh, there's one right here. That's it. It's just that easy. What do we get? See what we got. We got some wings. Let's see, what else we got? We got some more wings. We got some armored. So that's it. Let's see how much damage we got. Okay. 7 minutes. But 7 minutes really is no minutes, because if you heal them quickly, that's it. You're completely repaired. It's just that easy. So, 10 minutes, more or less, you got it. That's how you can do a 70. Simple, easy.